Imagine a world without microwave ovens. No more reheating leftovers or cooking frozen meals in just a few seconds. But have you ever wondered how this amazing appliance was invented? It's a story that involves a candy bar, a physicist, and a lot of luck. Percy Spencer, an American physicist, was working for Raytheon in 1945 when he accidentally discovered that a candy bar in his pocket had melted. This strange occurrence led to the invention of the microwave oven. Percy Spencer was testing a magnetron, a device that generates microwaves, when he noticed that the candy bar in his pocket had melted. This strange occurrence led him to experiment with other foods, such as popcorn kernels and eggs. He soon realized that the microwaves were causing the water molecules in the food to vibrate, producing heat. Microwaves are a type of electromagnetic radiation, similar to radio waves or X-rays. They have a frequency of about 2.45 GHz, which is the same frequency that water molecules absorb. When microwaves penetrate food, they cause the water molecules to vibrate, producing heat. This heat is then distributed throughout the food through conduction and convection. Spencer's first microwave oven was called the Rayderrange. It was about 5 feet tall and weighed over 700 pounds. It was also very expensive, costing about $5,000, which is equivalent to about $60,000 today. Despite its size and cost, the Rayderrange was the first commercially available microwave oven and paved the way for the modern microwaves we use today. Microwave ovens have had a significant impact on our daily lives. They have revolutionized the way we cook, making it faster and more convenient. They have also changed the way we live, enabling us to have more free time and flexibility. Today, microwave ovens are a common appliance in many households, and it's hard to imagine life without them. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and efficient microwave ovens in the future. From smart microwaves that can detect the type of food being cooked to microwaves that use advanced sensors to optimize cooking time, the possibilities are endless. The future of microwave ovens is exciting, and it will be interesting to see how they continue to evolve and improve. Microwave ovens are generally safe to use, but there are some precautions that should be taken. For example, it's important to use microwave-safe containers and to avoid overheating food. It's also important to follow the manufacturer's instructions and to be careful when removing hot food from the oven. Microwave ovens have a relatively low environmental impact compared to other cooking methods. They use less energy than traditional ovens and can help reduce food waste by cooking food quickly and efficiently. However, the production and disposal of microwave ovens can have a negative environmental impact, and it's important to consider this when purchasing and using a microwave oven. In conclusion, the invention of the microwave oven is a fascinating story that involves a candy bar, a physicist, and a lot of luck. From its accidental discovery to its modern-day applications, the microwave oven has come a long way. As we continue to innovate and improve this technology, it's exciting to think about what the future holds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting content.